welcome back to the channel. Hey everyone! Lost your Roku remote or just need an upgrade? Meet the Roku Voice Remote replacement, an easy-to-use, feature-packed remote with voice control, quick access buttons, and seamless compatibility with your Roku devices. Let's check out why this is the perfect replacement for your Roku setup. Supercharged Wi-Fi tired of buffering? The Roku Express 4K Plus comes with enhanced dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring smooth, lag-free streaming, even when multiple devices are connected. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, and control your Roku device all with one remote. Simple and quick setup is a breeze. Just plug in the Roku Express 4K Plus, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming your favorite content instantly. Enjoy a customizable home screen with your channels front and center, plus automatic updates. Voice remote with TV controls, quickly search, play entertainment, and control your streaming device with the voice remote. Control your entertainment hands-free. With the Roku Voice Remote, you can search for shows, control playback, and even adjust the volume just with your voice. Private listening via Roku App Need quiet time? Use the Roku mobile app for private listening. Just connect your headphones and enjoy without disturbing anyone. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including 350+ free live TV channels. Easy voice search and control, quickly search across thousands of top channels, play entertainment, control your streaming, and more with your voice. For Roku TV users, use your voice to launch channels, search for entertainment, turn captions on, switch inputs, and more. Use your voice to launch channels and search for entertainment. Use your voice to turn captions on, plus control your TV with power, volume, and mute buttons. The Roku Voice Remote replacement: simple setup, voice control, and all the features you need to enjoy your favorite shows. Simply turn on your Roku device and pull the battery tab on the back of the remote and it should pair automatically. Product link in the video description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.